Hello students, come back to our class. Hope all are doing well at home. So let us begin the day with a new topic, children. In this class I am going to teach you the new topic, that is the selfish gain, children. Selfish gain. If you refer the page number 33, see the text, open the textbook, children. If you open the textbook, in the page number 33 there is a lesson, the selfish gain, and this is the part 1, children. This is the part 1. Okay, before going to the lesson, if you see 32 page number, children, one picture is given. Yes, and picture is given. In the top of that picture, humanity he has given. Humanity, H-U-M-A-N-I-T. He has given about humanity. You know what is the meaning of humanity, children? Okay, humanity, being a human, what is our responsibility? What is our responsibility? To serve ourselves and serve to the people also. Yes or no, children? And help to the people. We should have to help by ourselves and you should be helpful to the people. That is the humanity. Okay, children? Now, if you look at the picture given below and answer the question that follow. See the picture, children. See, in the page number 32. All are able to see the picture here. If you see the picture, what is going on there? What is given, children, in the picture? A man is there and a girl. You are seeing the picture and she is offering something. She is giving something to that man. Now let us go to the question, children. What do you notice in the picture? What do you notice, children? That means a girl is giving some eatable things to that old man or the man who is suffering. Yes or no, children? That means she is doing some help to that person. She is doing what, children? She is doing some help to that person. That means the girl has some humanity. The girl has some sense to help to the poor. Yes or no, children? She has some humanity. What, children? The helping nature, whatever the helping nature present in you, that is the humanity. Okay, children? Next, what do you notice in the picture? The girl is giving some eatable things to the old man. Yes. What would be the feelings of the man in the picture? What are the feelings of that person who is receiving from the girl? He is very thankful, children. He is very thankful to that girl who is coming and helping to him. Yes or no? Now, third question. Have you ever seen such incidents? One oral question, children, for you. So, have you seen this kind of incidents when you are passing by the road? Yes or no? When you are passing the road on the roads or any spots or near to the temples or near to the mosque or near to the churches? Yes? Yes. Many of them will see. Some people are offering, some people are giving to those people. Some people are giving the food, shelter to those people who are sitting on the roads. Okay, children. Now, oral discourse is there. Oral discourse, that means we are going to narrate one story. Narrate an incident you have witnessed where people help others. Okay, so you should have to narrate. One lesson is given, children. What is the lesson given here? The selfish gain. The selfish gain, part 1. We are going to, what message is given from this lesson? We are going to see, children. Okay, now let us see here part 1. The selfish gain. Pronunciation, see, children, here. The name of that, the pronunciation of this G-I-A-N-T is gained. Okay, gained. Now tell me, before going to entering into the lesson, what is the meaning of that gained? Gained is nothing but an enormous or a strong person. Okay, he can be looks like a ghost also, a tallest and with a broad shoulder. Yes, he is very tallest, like a ghost he looks. Okay, children, he is the gained. How the gained is the selfish? He is very selfish. Selfish is nothing but he looks after him only. He will not help to the others. Okay, he will not do any help to the others. He will look after him only. So he is very selfish. Okay. Now, children, see, some characters are given here. Old gate and the gained refer to the same character. I have mentioned on the blackboard the gained. Okay, the old gate and the gained are both of them have same character, children. Both of them have the same character, the gate and the old gate. Both of them are same character in the lesson. Okay, children. Now, the old gate and the gate refer to the same character. The gate is a selfish character. He is a selfish. The Gant, that means he is a new one. Okay, the Gant is the selfish here. Now the old Gant, whereas old Gant is a chained and kind character. He is very kind person. He has a very kind heart. He is a selfish hearted. Okay, the Gant is a selfish hearted and the old Gant is a kind hearted. But both of them are same character, only one person. Okay, he is only the one person. But before he has some character, he has a kind character. But after few days, after few years, he changed his character into the from kind heart to the selfish heart he became. Okay, from kind heart to selfish heart he became. Don't be confused in this lesson. Okay, both of them have the same character. Only one person we are going to talk. Okay, before what he told and now what he is telling. The selfish, what now he is telling. The kind, before what he told. That's all. Okay. Now children, an old Gant address the audience directly. The old Gant is there now. Whatever the conversation we are making now children, in that conversation, old Gant is addressing directly. Okay, he is coming directly and telling. The action plays over behind him as he described it. Okay, the action plays out behind him as he described it. Now let us begin the lesson. Let us begin the story children. Old Gant is telling now. Okay, now old Gant is telling. I once owned a large lovely garden with soft green grass. That means one Gant is there, the old Gant. We are talking about now old Gant. The same characters but the Gant. The old Gant who has a kind heart. Who has a kind heart. We are talking about the old Gant. Here the old Gant is telling few words here. I once owned. That means he owned the garden. How the garden is children? The garden is very large and lovely. Okay, the garden is very large and lovely. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. Now children, he is describing about the garden. That's all. The old Gant, the kind-hearted old Gant is describing about the garden which he has owned. How the garden is children? The garden is very large and very lovely. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars. Okay, in the grass some flowers are grown children. In the grass, in the garden there is a grass. So in that grass some flowers have grown, and the flowers are looking like what children? The flowers are looking like the star. And there were 12 peach trees. Peach, P-E-A-C-H. Go to the meaning children. There is a meaning for peach. Peach trees. Trees bearing round fruit with soft red and yellow skin. Okay. There he saw flowers and some 12 peach trees. Peach trees are nothing but children. Peach tree is nothing but the trees which have the fruit. The fruits which are grown. Okay, the tree is loaded with fruits. Okay, now children, and there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime, when these fruits have grown children, during the springtime, broke out into the delicate blossom. Broke out into the delicate blossom. First of all, the flower comes, then afterwards the flowers is converted into fruits. No children, the same thing is happened in the springtime here. Okay. Springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. That means autumn. Autumn is the season children. When this autumn will come? When winter is passing. Okay, between the winter and the summer. Between the winter and the summer, spring will come. No? At the springtime, new flowers will come. After the flowers, fruit will grow into the tree children. Now, so he has explained about the trees. Now, the birds sat on the trees. What the birds are doing in the garden? The birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly. They are sitting on the trees and they are singing the song. Okay, they are singing. That means they are not singing any movie song children. They have their own tone. Okay, they have their own music. So that song they are singing. How they are singing? They are singing very sweetly. That the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. What the children are doing? The children who came to play in the garden, they are just stopping their play. Okay, they are just stopping their play, and they are listening to the music which is made by the birds. Now, every afternoon, who is speaking these all words, children? The Gent. The old Gent is speaking these all words. Now, every afternoon as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in my garden. But one day I came back. What is happened, children? Every afternoon, what the children used to do? In the morning section, they used to go to the school. While they are coming, return back to the home, what they used to do? They used to go into the garden and they used to play in the garden, children. Now, but one day I came back. That means after few days, after few years, I think so. After few days, he came back. Who came back, children? Old Gent came back. Okay. When he went somewhere, he was a kind. Now, next, what is happening here? I had been to visit my friend, the Cornish Org. The Cornish Og, O-G-I, O-G-R-E, Og, Cornish Og. That means he has visited. The old Gent has visited to the friend's home. What is his name, children? Cornish Og, and has stayed with him for 7 years. That means he has stayed with him for 7 years. Next, after the 7 years were over, I had said all that I had to say, and I determined to return to my own castle. When I arrived, I saw children playing in my garden. That means he has stayed. The old Gent has stayed for 7 years near his friend. Then afterwards he came back and he saw that when he arrived, he saw that some children are playing in the garden, children. Now, the Gent character has again now. Old Gent has told some words. Okay, what he told? He owned a garden. In that garden, many flowers are there, and along with the fruits also. And some birds are sitting on the trees and they are singing the song. By hearing this song, the children had stopped their playing and began to hear to those music. Then afterwards, what has happened, children? And he is telling them, where did he go? He has visited to his place and he came back. Okay, when he came back, he became the Gent here. Okay, the selfish Gent. Okay, he became selfish. Before he is very kind. Now he came, after 7 years he came, children. He became very selfish. Now the Gent, what are you doing here? By seeing that, what he has seen, the old Gent had visited to his own place. Visited to his garden. Now he became new. Now he became the Gent. The Gent he became. That means he became the selfish. Okay, the selfish Gent has seen that children are playing in the garden and he is speaking few words. What is that, children? The Gent, what are you doing here? The Gent is telling, what are you doing here? The children run away. When he opened the gate of the garden and he shouted that. How he shouted? What are you doing here? By seeing the personality of that Gent. How is the personality? He is very enormous and he is the strongest person. Just he looks like a ghost, children. By seeing the face of the ghost, every child will fear or not. So in the same way, the children felt very afraid. The children felt very afraid and they began to run. Okay, by hearing the words only, they have run. Next, the Gent is again telling, my own garden is my own garden. My own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that. Whatever I am telling, this is my garden. This is my garden. This is my own garden. No one should enter here. I think everybody will understand that. And I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. That means I will not allow to play anybody to play in my garden. Okay, because this is my garden. Only myself can play in this garden. The Gent is telling. Now, the old Gent points out the younger Gent. The old Gent points out the younger Gent working on a wall, putting up a sign and then listening at the wall. What is doing here, children? Now the old Gent is points to the younger Gent. Now the old Gent has shifted to the younger Gent. Younger is nothing but the new Gent. Okay. Now he shifted. Same characters. Before he used to be kind and now he became selfish. That's all. Okay. That's all, children here. Now The old Gent points out the younger Gent working on a wall, putting up a sign and then listening at the wall. Okay, he kept the ear to the wall. Okay, in the garden there is a wall, children. Near to that wall, he kept the ears and listening to the words who are speaking, whatever the speakings have done. Okay, whoever speaking outside the garden, he is hearing by keeping the ear near to the wall, children. Now, old Gent is telling. So I built a high wall all round and put up a notice board. When he was going, when he went to his friends, when he visited to his friend's home, before going, he has kept one notice board, children. What? Trespassers will be prosecuted. Trespassers, T-R-E, S-T-R-S-P-A-S-S-E-I-R. Okay, children. Trespassers will be prosecuted. P-R-O-S-E-C-U-T-E-D. Prosecuted, will be prosecuted. Trespassers will be prosecuted. What is telling? While I went near to the when I visited to my friend's home, I have kept one notice board. What is the trespassers will be prosecuted? That means trespassers are nothing but, okay, the people who are walking on the road, that people should not be entering into the garden. That means no one should enter into the garden. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Will not be prosecuted is nothing but, children, they should not enter into the garden. Okay, I heard the children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. What is happened here? Come and tell me, children, what is happened here? He kept the ear near to the wall and is hearing what the children are speaking. Why the children are speaking? Why? Because after finishing of the school, the children used to, what they used to do, children? The children used to come and play into the garden. Now the Gent has came. The younger Gent has came, who is selfish, has came, and he told that this is my garden. No one should play in this garden. By hearing the words of the Gent, why? Because the Gent is a very selfish and is a very broad shoulder. He is a big person. He looks like a ghost. The children have felt fear and went outside the garden. And the Gent is hearing the words of the children here. Now among those children, the tall girl is telling. Are you able to see the picture, children, here? What is given in the picture? Again, with a big person, like a ghost. He looks like a ghost only, children. And the children are running one place to another. That means they are going outside the garden. From those, the tall girl is telling, now we have no way to play. Okay, the children are talking among themselves, children. What the tall girl is telling, now we have no way to play. Now we have no place to play. Short boy, from them, short boy is telling, we can play on the road. Short boy is telling, instead of playing in the garden, we are able to play on the road. Square girl is telling now, but the road is very dusty. How the road is, children? The road is very dusty. He can't play. Graceful girl and full of hard stones. The road is spread over the hard stones are spread over the road. Okay, if we fall down on the stones, we will be get injured. Now, brown boy is telling, I don't like it. The boy is telling, I don't like it. Graceful girl, let's walk around the wall. When our lessons are over, at least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. Okay, after completion of the class, just we will go near to the wall and we will just describe the beauty of the garden. That will get satisfied to our heart. Okay. Now the tall girl is telling, tall girl, how happy we were there. Okay, the tall girl is telling, how happy we were there. Okay, when we are in the garden, we are very happy. Brown boy is telling, he is a very selfish Gent. He is a very selfish Gent. Why he became very selfish? The old Gent is very kind now, and now he became very selfish. Why? Because he don't like the children. He don't like the children play in the garden. That's why he became very selfish. The Gent opens a door in the wall and shouts at the children. Okay, what the Gent has done by hearing these all words, whatever the words are spoke by the children, no, these words are spoke by the children, is heard by the Gent, the younger Gent, and he opened the gate. Okay, and he opened the gate and he shouted at the children. So children, this is the first part. Okay, from this first part I have explained the half of the lesson, children. Remaining half of the lesson we will continue in the next class, children. Okay, I think all might have understood the lesson. After hearing the explanation, you just refer the lesson, children. Whatever the first part is there, you just refer and be ready for the next class. We will be meeting with the next part of the lesson. With this I am ending my class.